how to enable ultra wide in Snapchat on Android. And before we proceed, I'd like to let you guys know that this specific kind of feature, which is going to be the ultra wide angle lens from the current camera that you have, is going to be limited access only. It's going to be depending on the operating system or the feature or from the camera itself on your current phone. Now, if you wanted to get the list of phones that has access with the ultra wide feature, you can just go ahead and head over to snapchat.com and they should have a list of phones that is or that has this kind of feature. So if you do have this feature, make sure that your Snapchat account is updated to the latest version. Just have to head over to your Google Play Store and just look for the Snapchat application in here. You should be able to know if your Snapchat needs an updating because there is going to be an update button visible. Just simply tap on that and it will automatically load and update by itself. Now heading directly to your Snapchat account, what you can do is just go to your current camera features, and as you can see there is this actual drop downs in here which for you to have access of all the features that you have from your phone. So it is usually located on one of these options right here if your phone has this kind of feature. So that's it. That's how you enable ultra wide in Snapchat on Android.